took this to a very personal place.
Honestly, I just hope it's not a dick. And that was the only time I ever said I did not want a dick.
So, the time has come.
Come on, girl.
3,
I feel like I'm gonna like break out in tears.
2.